Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your liked videos on TikTok and how to make sure they're private if you don't want others to see them. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, open up the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android. Now let's say you just liked a video and you want to go back and watch it again. Or maybe you're curious about the very first video you ever liked. To find all of them, just tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, look for the heart icon in the middle of the screen. That's where all your liked videos are saved. Tap on it and you'll see every video you've liked on the platform. But keep in mind, by default, other people might be able to see this list too. If you want to make your liked videos private, here's what to do. Tap the three lines at the top right corner of your profile page. Then go into Settings and Privacy. From there, tap on Privacy. Now scroll down until you see the option for liked videos and tap on it. You'll see a setting that asks who can view your liked videos. If it's currently set to everyone, that means your likes are public. You can switch it to only you to make them private. Once that's done, head back to your profile. You'll notice that next to the heart icon, there's now a little eye icon with a line through it. That means your liked videos are hidden and only you can see them. I hope this helps. If it did, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.